you find my makeup to be horrendous, sorry, I was trying this funny eye makeup look, but it turned out to be something else. Off camera it is looking absolutely horrendous. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, and today I bring a hair care range for you. Seen my last video, it was from Mother Sparsh, where I was trying their skincare and I absolutely loved it. I love the company. This hair care range is again sent by the company. I am so happy. I am so glad that they did, and because I was running out of my shampoo and it's right on time that I received this product. I use these products for a month now and I am ready to give my honest opinion on them. But before that, you have to understand these are herbal products, so they do not have sulfate, parabens or any chemicals, because there's no sulfate in it. So these shampoos or conditioner or the hair pack that I'm going to show, they're not going to turn your hair as silky smooth as a sulfate shampoo would do, because when you use a sulfate shampoo, your fingers just glides on through the hair, so that doesn't really happen because they have all Ayurvedic herbal stuff in it. Even if you have used Rita, Amla, Mehendi kind of thing, they make your hair soft for sure, but they do not make your hair like silky smooth. Like, it doesn't give you that amplified shine, or your fingers just don't run through them just like that. So just a disclaimer on these products before I'm going to look through my phone, because there are so many ingredients, so I do not want to forget any of it. So I am going to look through my phone and just going to help you out with the ingredients and a small gist on what I think of these products that I have used. So the packaging of these products are like this. So it's a very normal packaging, but because of this color, as you can see, because of this color, the packaging looks a little grand. First thing that I'm going to show you is this hair oil. It's called Miracle Hair and Scalp Food. 100% Ayurvedic product of 200 ml, and the price of this is 599 rupees. It has so many ingredients. List out all these 30 ingredients is going to be a little boring and lengthy. So I'm going to tell out these ingredients which I have heard of and I know are good for you. It has Brahmi, Bhringraj, Amla, curry leaves, Rita, neem, mulethi, shikakai, methi, henna, haldi, aloe vera, gulab, tulsi, camphor oil, castor oil, almond oil, lavender oil, sunflower oil, til oil, rice bran oil, rosemary oil, coconut virgin oil, and groundnut oil. That's a lot of things in one bottle, but these are the names that I know of, and I think I've listed out 90% of the names. So everything I've listed, I've just said out, is awesome for your hair, be it Amla, Rita, Shikakai, henna. Now, how I use this product, I use this overnight mostly. That's the oil. I apply it on my hair. It is a little thick compared to the other oils that I use. So this is a little thicker, so it takes time to absorb in your scalp. So I would suggest you to at least use this for 1 hour before shower, or best way to use it is leave it overnight over the weekends. That's how I use it. My hair is very rough, okay, and I'm really bad at oiling hair. I mean, I hardly never oil my hair. Now, because I have this, thanks to Mother Sparsh, I at least make sure that I use it twice a week, because I was actually testing out these products for you guys. So I was using twice a week, but now I think I'm going to use it once a week. But because of the ingredients in it, because it is all herbal, shikakai, when you open the bottle you can smell it, amla, shikakai, herbal stuff. So it kind of smells very strongly of herbs, okay, it strongly smells of it's not a non-smelling oil. It strongly smells of shikakai and amla and henna and those stuff. So it's a strong smell. Once your hair dries out, the smells also goes away, but your hair feels absolutely soft and shiny with this hair oil. And I have also noticed that my hair fall is a little less, and I never had dandruff issues, so I cannot comment on that, but my hair fall is little less. It's a wonderful hair oil to have. If you're applying it once a week, it's better you apply your oil which has a lot of herbal stuff in it, so it can benefit you more. What I'm going to share is the hair cleanser, the hair shampoo, and 200 ml of product. It looks like this and it is priced at 475 rupees. So nowadays all the shampoos are expensive. It's no more you get a shampoo for 100 and 200 rupees, except the very commercial shampoos which is of no use at all. So this shampoo is value for money. You do not use a lot of this shampoo anyways. So this is how the packaging looks. Runny, so I'm going to show it like this. So the shampoo is brown in color and it lathers up pretty well. I don't have water, so it's not lathering up, but it lathers up pretty well. It's not for everybody, but if you're okay with herbal scents and you like herbal, it calms you down and all of that things that it does to me, then you are good to go. But these shampoo and conditioner, the smell kind of lingers till the time your hair is wet, so it's going to be a while that you are going to be with the smell of this shampoo or conditioner. Out the ingredients to you. It has coconut oil, walnut oil, argan oil, palm rose oil, saga oil, brahmi, bringraj, jatamansi, amla, curry leaves, rita, neem, shikakai, methi. And these things are very common in the whole range, so you will find in the whole range because of its herbal ingredients, and also your hair feels soft, not shiny, but it feels soft. So notice a little bit of reduction in your hair fall. The next product is the hair conditioner. So this is the product. It is a very thick conditioner. It is a thick conditioner and very creamy though. Ingredient list of the hair conditioner. So it has brahmi, bringraj, shikakai, amla, rita, neem, methi and shea butter, because it's a conditioner. It deeply nourishes and hydrates your hair. And the last product is a hair lap. Now this is something that I'm so thankful for the team to send me. 100 grams of product and it is for 599 rupees, and it is a powder form, so it's going to be a little messy here, but I'll still show it to you. So as you can see, it is a powder form, and you are going to mix it with water to apply it. I have a small video of me applying it which turned out to be a disaster, but I will still include it in the clip though, so that it helps you to just give you an idea of how I apply it and what is the jazz. So you got to keep it for the time it gets dried up, and then you're going to wash it with cold water. You can definitely use amla juice with it or water, whatever you prefer, and keep it for 30 to 35 minutes, and then you can wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. So what this does is, I've used it 4 times now. I'm still left with, I think I can make 2 more uses out of this. So what I think of this product is this, because it's a hair mask, you are applying rita, amla and all of that powder on your hair, so it's definitely going to help you in a long run. But immediately, if I just say, the effect would be the hair feels very soft. The hair feels very soft. So that was it about all the products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, I will link everything down below, so just check it out, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.